If you've got a farm, you already know, rodents aren't just annoying, they're expensive. A couple of mice can turn into hundreds in just a few months, chewing through feed bags, contaminating storage, and spreading disease. And here's the scary part. When rodents get into your barns, your cows can actually stop producing milk. Farms are basically five-star hotels for rodents. There's food everywhere, warm barns, and cozy hay bales to hide in. Once they settle in, they chew wires, dig holes through insulation, and raid feed bins every night. They don't just make a mess, they cause damage that adds up fast. Rodents carry more than 35 different diseases that can spread to people and animals. Things like leptospirosis, which passes through contaminated water and can make cows sick or cause miscarriages. Salmonella and listeria spread through droppings and can spoil entire feed supplies. And for farm workers, there's hantavirus and rat bite fever, both serious health risks. Even a small amount of droppings in a feed bin can contaminate a whole herd's diet. Here's something many dairy farmers overlook. When cows are stressed or exposed to rodent contamination, their milk output drops. Droppings in feed or bedding can lead to infections like mastitis, and once that happens, production and milk quality both take a hit. Even the constant scurrying or scratching of rats at night can stress a herd enough to make a difference. According to the USDA, rodents destroy nearly 20% of the world's food supply every year. On a local farm, that can mean spoiled feed, chewed wiring, and even fires from electrical damage. What starts as a small problem can quietly drain thousands of dollars from your bottom line every season. That's where First Choice Pest Solutions comes in. We specialize in agricultural and farm-safe rodent control across Wisconsin. Our team knows how to protect feed storage, barns, and milking stations without putting your livestock or crops at risk. We combine proven exclusion methods, safe baiting systems, and routine inspections to keep your operation rodent-free all year long. We don't just remove rodents, we help you build a prevention plan that protects your investment. Rodents might be small, but on a farm, they can cause big problems. Protect your animals, your livelihood, and your peace of mind. Call First Choice Pest Solutions today, because healthy animals start with a healthy, pest-free farm.